Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss furthermore information about operator. In previous lecture, we understood what is operator, major groups of operators and total 8 types of operator as well as arithmetic operator in detail. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss what is relational operator and then what is logical operator. Now let's start our lecture with relational operator. Relational operator, there are total 6 relational operator. Basically, it is used to compare two different operand or variable or value. It is used for comparison and it gives you the answer in Boolean way, means true, 1 or false, 0. So you can see there are total 6 operator in relational operator. First is less than, second is less than equals to, next is greater than, then greater than equals to, and last not equals to. These operators are used majorly in decision making statement. Now let's understand this concept with one simple C program. So here let's include our header file, that is #include stdio.h #include conio.h. अगर आप चाहो तो कोनियो यहाँ पे इंक्लूड ना करो तो चलेगा, सिर्फ ध्यान ये रखना है कि उसके फंक्शन फिर आप यूज कर पाओगे नहीं. Then our main function. Here I took 3 different variable of integer data type. Integer space a equals to 5, comma b equals to 7, comma c. My expression is c equals to a greater than b. If this condition is true, it will give you the answer 1, means true, and if it is not true, it will give you the answer false, which is 0. Printf %d and the answer of c will be print on output. So here a equals to 5 and b equals to 7, and our condition is a greater than b, which is false because 5 is not greater than 7. So our output will be 0. We will see this operator majorly in our next chapter, that is decision statement. Now let's move to logical operator. So logical operator means it will also use for comparison or condition, but it will combine two different condition in a single conditions. It will give you the answer in Boolean value 0 or 1. There are majorly 3 types in logical operator. First is logical AND. The symbol of this logical AND is 2 times ampersand. Second, logical OR. The symbol of this OR is 2 times vertical bar. And the third one is logical NOT, which is denoted as exclamation mark. So now let's understand this logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT with example. But before that, we must know the truth table of logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. So we will start with logical AND. In truth table, true means 1 and false means 0. Here you can see operand 1 and operand 2. You can consider as a expression 1 and expression 2. In expression 2, 0 1 0 1, 0 is false, 1 is true, and in expression 1, 0 0 1 1, 0 means false, 1 means true. So if both condition is false, means expression 1 and expression 2 both are false, so answer will be false. If one of them condition is false, answer is going to be false. But if both condition or both expression are true, then the answer will be true. So in logical AND, both condition must be true, otherwise your answer will be false. Let's understand this logical AND with C program. Here we are including stdio.h, conio.h, our header file. We are starting our main function. Here I took 4 different variables of integer type. Integer space a equals to 5, comma b equals to 7, comma c equals to 9 and d. My expression for this logical operator is d equals to a less than b, logical AND c greater than a. Here my both condition must be true, then answer will be true, otherwise my answer will be false. And whatever the answer is going to be stored in d, that we already took printf %d, d and ch. So a less than b, 5 less than 7, which is true. C greater than a, 9 greater than 5, which is also true. So our answer will be 1. So you can see in output our answer will be 1. Now let's move on logical OR. In logical OR, the truth table is like that. If the both expression is true, then answer will be obviously true. If one of them is true, then answer will be true. In only one condition, answer will be false, and is that if both conditions are false, then answer will be false. In rest of the condition, answer will be true. Now let's understand this logical OR with the help of C program. The program is same that we took in logical AND. We include stdio.h, conio.h. We took 4 different variable a, b, c and d, and we already assigned value to particular variable. We took an expression d equals to a less than b or c less than a. Now a less than b, 5 less than 7, which is true, or c less than a, 9 less than 5, which is false. But what is the truth table? If one of them is true, answer will be true. So whatever our answer which is true is going to be stored in our output. Now let's understand the next operator, logical NOT operator. In logical NOT operator, if your expression is true, answer will be false, and if your expression is false, answer will be true. It will give you the reverse answer. Now let's understand the same thing with the C program.
Header file hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, then our main function. In this program, we will take 3 variables, and the variable has the same type integer a equals to 5, b equals to 7 and c. So the expression of NOT operator is c equals to logical NOT operator, that is exclamation marks in bracket a greater than b. So here a equals to 5 and b equals to 7. So we know that a is not greater than b, so answer will be 0. But in NOT operator, we know that it convert the answer in reverse way. If your answer is 0, it will convert into 1. So our answer will be 1. So we print that statement, printf %d c ch. So our output will be 1. So student, this was our relational operator and logical operator. From this topic, I prepared a small quiz. The link is mentioned in description. Please go through it. If you have any doubt, query, please comment us, mention us. So we are signing off for today. Thank you.